Compressible Bernoulli. Question 2. In an undisturbed airstream where the pressure is 14.7 pound per square inch and the temperature is 59 degree Fahrenheit, the velocity is 520 foot per second. Where the velocity is 600 foot per second, what is the local pressure? Okay, so and we are given P1, which is 14.7 psi, or in normal conversion in standard atmospheric condition, this is considered as 2116.8 pound cube 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 squared foot, and our temperature is 59 degree Fahrenheit plus 460 degrees, which is, let me just double check that, yeah, 59 plus 460 equals 519 degree Rankine. Okay, what's the next given? We have velocity 1 of 520 foot per second, and we have a velocity 2 of 600 foot per second. What's required? Required is pressure 2, P2. To know that gamma for air is 1.4. This is only dry air, not wet air included. Wet air is a different gamma, and it has its own specific formula, but there's no need for that. And the R in English is 1716 foot cube per second squared multiplied by Rankine, degree Rankine. Okay, solution. PRT. There's no need to get density 1 since it's already at 14.7. However, if it's not 14.7, you can't just assume and you have to calculate for the density. Now to get density, it's rho equals P1 R P1. This is the equation for density. But again, since our pressure 1 is the constant standard atmospheric, and this is STA, and this is STA, and then we can assume that rho 1 is also STA. Now what does that mean? It means that the slug we'll be getting is the same as the usual STA, which is 0.002377 slug cubic foot. Okay, next we plug this into formulas. We have V1 squared over 2 plus gamma over gamma minus 1. P1 over rho 1 equals V2 squared over 2 plus gamma over gamma minus 1 P2 over rho 2. This entire thing we're already given. This we're given. This given. We don't have, however, this rho 2, and this is the required. Now using isentropic equation, we use P2. Use this to get rho 2. Isentropic equation. We know that P1, tama ba? No, hindi, tama. P2 over P1 is equals rho 2 over rho 1 gamma. Now we need to get rho 2. Simply divided by 1 over rho. Tama ba? 1 over rho. Okay. Yeah. The rho over 1. Double check. And the 1 over rho. Tama. 1 over rho. 1 over rho. Cancel. Is equals to P2 over P1. 1 over rho is equals to rho 2 over rho 1. Now simply multiply rho 2 is equals rho 1 P2 minus P1 1 over rho. What rho? 1 over gamma. Okay. Now getting the Bernoulli's equation again, incompressible, V1 squared over 2 gamma minus 1. Baliktad. Gamma over gamma minus 1. Gamma minus 1. P1 over rho 1 is equals to V2 squared over 2 plus gamma over gamma minus 1 multiplied by P2 over rho 1 P2 over P1 gamma 1 minus gamma 1 over gamma and we'll get 520 squared over 2 plus 1.4 over 1.4 minus 1. Pressure 1 is 2116.8 over 0.002377 equals V2 squared is 180,000 divided by 2. V2 squared is 600 squared over 2 plus 1.4 over 1.4 minus 1. Pressure 2 is what we don't know. What we do know, however, is rho 1 0.002377 multiplied by P2 over 2116.8 and 1 over 1.4. Okay. Now calculating 520 squared 520 squared over 2 times 1.4 minus 1 baliktad 1.4 over 0.4 minus 1 times 216.8 over 0.002377 377 16.8 tama ba? Plus hindi pala times. Okay. Hindi ito plus, hindi ito times. Plus yan. Plus we get 325,270 million. Okay. It's equals to 600 squared. Just minus 600 squared over 2. 325,270 minus 600 squared over 2 is equals to 3072,070 3072 0.070 equals 1.4 over 1.4 minus 1. Now we can divide that. 1.4 minus 1 cancelled. P2 over 0.00237 P sub 2 2116.8 over 1 over 1.4. Okay. Over we get 8777334.29. 2116.8 1.4. Okay. Zero point zero zero 2377 7 times 2116.8 1 over 1.4. Answer 237.40 37.40 multiplied by 0.00237.56. 72116.4. Just 116.4 1 over 4 1.4 over 1 1.4 over 1 just 1.4 to 116.8 P sub 2 0.2857. Isentropic flow P2 over P3 1 over gamma P2 minus P1 0.1 over minus gamma 0.237. That's the answer. 12.23. Okay. So the final derivation for this one is kind of complicated, but we don't need to do this. Also don't need to do this. No, this gets cancelled anyway. So this one is equals to P2 0.2857 over 0.002377 times 2116.8 to the power of 0.2875 57. 0.857. So how did that happen? We transpose P2 as 1. So in turn, this will be 1 over 2116.8, 1.4, 1.4, 1 over gamma, I mean, and 1 over 1.4 to the power of is equals to 0.2857. Now knowing all that, we get 87734.29 multiplied by 0.00237 times 2116.8 to the power of 0.2857. Speed 0.2857. So, and then have to get the 1 over 0.2857 of this. Okay. 0.002377 times 2116.8, 6.8 raised to 0.2875, 857, tama na, raised to 2857. It's a 77434.29. Okay, got it. My bad. You don't do this. You don't transpose the gamma. We get it directly. So the 3,000,000 will be equals to 3.5, which is the gamma minus 1 over gamma. I mean gamma over gamma minus 1. And we have P2 0.2857, 0.0151. This is this 0.015151. Okay. Now 3,073,200 times 0.0151 divided by 3.5 over 0.2857, it's equals to 2012.23 pound foot squared. Grabe. Tinding derivation yan. Yeah. Saan yun?